God. What the hell is that? Gee, you shit your pants? Oh my God. You want to pee your pants? Pee them. Pee them. Pee them. Let's see.
No.
You know what's neat is the sound on this is really good. We'll be able to hear that.
Oh, don't.
I'm putting it on YouTube. You gonna make that funny? Gonna make that funny sounding? You did. Made that funny sound with your butt.
Oh, stop!
Oh, yikes!
Chuck, you're gonna have to
What's that brown on the back of your jeans?